So, can my electric car kill me? That's a question, isn't it? I made a video stating that it can, and then I had some folks argue with the fact that that may not be accurate. What I stated was that 400 volts can kill you. And I wanted to add to that and explain why this electric car can indeed kill you if you're not careful. So as we know, voltage is the potential, so the force of the electricity in a particular circuit. In order to calculate how much amperage, or the total volume of electricity, can flow through a circuit, we also need to know the resistance. In this case, we know that human skin, thick, dry, callous skin, can offer about 100,000 ohms of resistance. Sweaty fingers or sweaty palm can go down to 1,000 ohms. So doing basic math, we know that if my fingers are sweaty, like they always are when working in the garage, and I would accidentally touch and complete the circuit at 400 volts, we do 400 divided by 1,000, which is the resistance of sweaty skin, we get 0.4. And 0.4 amps is exactly how much electricity would flow through you if the circuit would be able to provide that much current. This battery is capable of putting out 300 amps, so it would easily be able to do half an amp through me. I made another video where I discuss what happens at 400 milliamps. And usually you're unable to move your muscles, you start getting to the point where you can't breathe because your lungs won't move, and you get into cardiac arrest. So anything above 300 milliamps or 0.3 amps will be dangerous. So to wrap up my thoughts, yes, an electric vehicle traction battery has enough voltage and power to kill you. I think we've seen why. We now understand the math. So to be clear, 400 volts at the potential current output of this battery is what will kill you. And number two, the reason why I put these videos together to begin with is to showcase just how dangerous this is. I know a lot of folks have shown interest. They want to go louder, and a lot of folks are moving into electric vehicles with their sound system. I just want to keep reinforcing the fact that this is really dangerous. Think about, are you willing to risk your life and potentially a very painful death just to have a loud sound system? I recommend you do not do this. I want to showcase the dangers of it, and happy to answer any more questions.